This typography masking trick will surely level up your Canva designs. So let's start with it. So first I will go to text here, and here I will choose add a heading here and write Sweden. Okay, and after that I will change the font to Sports World. I will use this one and I will just make it bigger. And after that just place it here in the middle. So now I will click on art to activate a rectangle and use it individually on all the alphabets, and I will just zoom in so that I can work here in a better way, and I will just crop it till here. Okay, let's do for the next one. So now when this part is done, now elongate all of them so that it looks with the same height. Okay, let's elongate the W till this part. Let's click on Shift plus R to activate the scale, and I will elongate the W till this part. So I will just mark it. Okay, now I will click on C to activate a circle, and I will just make it bigger. Okay, and I will change the color to white. Okay, and let's cover these black parts with again a rectangle. Let's cover this part here, and also this part with again pressing the white color. Okay, so when this part is ready, let's go to elements to find a perfect image. So I have already chosen an image, which is this one. We say winter landscape at night, Lapland, Sweden. Okay, so I will use this one, and let's make it bigger. Okay, and just decrease the transparency and check if it is working fine or not. So it is working fine, as you can see. Okay, and now I will press Ctrl plus X to cut the image and click on add page and add it here. Now increase the transparency Okay, and let's download both the pages. Make sure the download file type is PNG and just download both the pages. Okay, so when both the downloads are done, click on add page and just add both the images. Okay, and just go to apps here. Here write blend. Click on this blend image app and make sure the blend mode is in screen, and click on for bottom layer use this text layer. Click on use selected image, and for the top layer use this image of Sweden, and your design is ready. Click on add to design here. Okay, and just make it size bigger. Now, as you can see, if I want to add any type of background, you will not be able to add it here because of this white background here. So click on BG remover, and now you can add any background you want. Let's make it more enhanced by clicking on this, clicking on edit, and after that going to adjust, and after that scroll all the way down to find the color part and increase the saturation. Okay, and till 30, and after that scroll up to find the light, increase the brightness slightly and the contrast to 25. Okay, and increase the highlights slightly and also decrease the whites part. Okay, and your design is finally ready. Now I hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, please let me know in the comments. And if you want to know about a specific topic or design, please also mention it in the comments so that I can make similar designs or a specific design which you want to see. And please subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified with all the latest tutorials and Canva tricks which are getting uploaded in this channel. So I will meet you in another tutorial next day. Thank you.